YouTube? It's your favorite cat that you love to talk about. And today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Simple, easy. So grab your brushes, sit down, and watch the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime I post. Bye.
I done been through the worst and brought the best out of me. I know I ain't perfect, but you keep blessing me. Too many gone, I'm all alone now. But I thank God I found a way, I'm finally here now. Standing strong.
Primer. Now I'm letting my primer sit. We're gonna fill in our eyebrows. We're gonna clean these up. I got this concealer in the color Toffee. I'm using the Morphe brush M432 and it's a sharp. It's just straight across. Real simple and easy. All right, y'all. I got the Morphe brush 173 and we just gonna blend these eyebrows out. Go underneath. Don't touch the product that's right on the bottom, but just blend it in. Get close, but not too close. You know what I'm saying? Then we go to the top and just blend out the top. On the sides, you're just gonna go down. On your sides, make sure you wash because it'd be the easiest way. You clip your eyebrow by blending too close to the side. Okay, eyebrows done. Wow, masterpiece. Okay. Foundation, Fenty Dewdrops number 2. And I don't put no makeup on my forehead. Whatever's left off the brush, I just put on my forehead. I'm gonna use this brush that I got from Target. It's a flat top foundation brush. I'm just gonna tap it in. Tap it in. Just like that, okay? Just gonna tap it in. Get all the way across. All the way around. Go down the neck. And you see, I don't do too much under my eye. Just like right close to it, okay? All the way down, and when it's ever left, we're gonna put it on the forehead. And this is skin tint, so it's a light coverage. Gives like more skin, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, we just use Fenty in the color Ebony for contour. Oh. Yeah. Here. Okay, all the areas that we talked about. We got Blush Rare Beauty in the color Worthy. I'm just gonna put it right here. There's 3 little dots right here. Just like that. Conceal, Toffee. Okay. I let my concealer dry down for a good like 5 minutes before I blend it out. So let that concealer dry down, Booka Bud. What you in a rush for? You trying to look good? All right, y'all, we're gonna get this and just blend it. Same thing on this side. First, I'm gonna do loose powder, Benefit. Give me a powder puff. Dip it in. Dip the excess up off of it and go right underneath. Right under there. Okay. Then I'm gonna do some more. Same thing. I'm gonna go right under. Go up the shot, get the rest that's on my hand right here, and just put it on the side right there. And right here. Right here. Then I'm gonna get my frown lines. We gonna make those. And let that sit. Okay. Deep, dark bronzer. We're gonna bronze the face. And I'm gonna use this brush right here by Beauty. I'm just gonna go. I just use both, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Wherever I put that the liquid bronzer under here. Okay. Here. Just bring that warmth back in to me. Yeah. Use a pressed powder. And then I'm gonna get this color right here because I like a light under eye. And I'm just gonna press it down and I'm gonna go right back under. Right back under, okay? And the same thing on my chin, here, forehead. I'm gonna go in with this right on my lids. Just like that. All right, y'all, this is the final look, my everyday look. Let me know if you like this in the comments. If you made it to the end of this video, please put a nice purple heart. Let me know what other looks you would like to see me do. Once again, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.